Hi, welcome. Marta Valle here with PascuaFloridaHomes.com, powered by MVP Realty. I'm here today in front of 4195 Traditions Drive. This is a Mystique with a loft, a very unusual floor plan. The Mystique is a very versatile floor plan, so it can be standard as it starts out as a 2-bedroom plus den home. This particular one has 4 bedrooms, a den, and a loft. So when it starts out with 2 bedrooms plus den, it's 1,889 square feet. This one here is over 3,000 square feet because it has that extra second floor where you have 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and the big loft. So let me show it to you. This one has impact windows. Let me turn it around. So this is the Mystique. This is Traditions Drive. This is Anapolis Avenue over here. The church is in this direction. I cannot see it. Oh, actually, I'll be able to see it from here. This is the rest of Traditions. Yeah, there's the church. Here. So, with Avalon Park in Ave Maria. This one has a 2-car garage, and it's extended by 4 feet. It has impact windows everywhere and impact doors, and a lot of really nice upgrades. So let me show it to you. It has a lake view. This glass door over here, which is also semi-private. As you come in, there are these beautiful wood plank tiles. And so as you come in straight ahead, you have the kitchen, dining area, living area. Here's the den. Here it goes up towards the loft. To my right is the bedroom that is usually, when the Mystique comes standard, it has a 2-car garage with a tandem space. But here the tandem space is converted to another bedroom. The laundry, the garage. This is where I just came in. And then over here, another bedroom and bathroom. So let me show you the front bedroom. With this elevation, you have 2 windows here, really nice. There's going to be a space for a fan. You can see the church right here. You have a long lake view over here as well. Very pretty. There's over here a closet. Carpet in the bedrooms. Your comfort height on the sink, undermount sink. Beautiful tiles also over here with the Listillo. And then here our lamps, our closet, little linen closet. So again, over here we would continue the living space. Let me just show you this here. Here's the laundry. It's a finished laundry. So you have the sink, standard washer and dryer, and then cabinets over here as well. Here cabinets, near space. Here's some space that you could use for different things, coat hangers or something, or shoes. Here's the 4th bedroom. Over here. And the Mystique also often has the option to add another bathroom over here. This one does not have that. Here you have the garage. It's extended by 4 feet. So really nice and large. It's epoxied. And then it even has this ladder to go up into the attic. So in the attic you can only store things that are, that can take heat and humidity. All the doors here are 8-foot doors. Oh, I showed this already. And over here is the den with a double glass door. And this can be your dining space, for example. If you want a formal dining space or a sitting room, there's a nice tray ceiling. Really pretty. So this here, I'll go there later. So this here is the living space, the extended lanai, dining room over there, and then the kitchen with built-in appliances, a wooden hood, and also with a backsplash and a pantry. So with the built-in appliances, you get also these cabinets at the end of the island. And then also you get these pull-out drawers. You have here the microwave and then the oven over here, the stove over here. Here's the pantry, walk-in pantry, really nice size. There's a KitchenAid appliances. And let me just show it right now. You have a lake view. These are pocket sliding glass doors. These particular ones, they usually hide away fully. However, these particular ones have a stop over here, so they don't go all the way to there. I'm not sure if this is something that could be changed. I've never seen it like this. They usually, like you can see, hide away all the way. So I think this is something that still needs to be addressed. These are also sliders that open up with a very pretty view here. In this direction is the water park. There's going to be a public school over there in the future. The electrical poles that you see here are going to go underground. I'm not sure when. If you wanted to, you have enough space for a pool over here. The HOA takes care of the landscaping. You have the extended lanai. Lots of space to entertain. And then this is the master bedroom. Really nice space. It has these extra recessed lighting over here and a tray ceiling. A beautiful view. And then this is the master bathroom with a dual sink, a walk-in shower. There's a pocket door that I just went through, a bench over here, and here's the toilet. On my left right now there's a little linen closet, and then this is the walk-in closet. This one is the carpet needs to be lower. A lot of space here. Okay, so let's now go and see upstairs. Okay, so upstairs is the entrance door. I'm going up the stairs. The Mystique with the Loft has a gigantic loft. So you'll see where all the space is. Here, with a beautiful view, and all this. Wow, that's huge. Very light and bright. All this is the loft. Over here is the AC, and actually, so the AC also has space, even storage space here. A lot of storage space. There are 2 AC units here for this size home. You have a little bit of space over here, and then another bathroom. So you have 3 bathrooms here: the master bathroom, the shared bathroom downstairs, and then this bathroom. And then this is the 4th bedroom with a walk-in closet. And again, a really nice view. You can see the lake here. And the walk-in closet over here. Now let me show you the outside. So here's the house. Here are the palms, so like the lot line is somewhere here. Actually, you can see here how it's probably more or less up to there. Here is the lake. Very nice. On this side is going to be Anthem Parkway. So it's very symmetrical, this floor plan, really nice. You can see how beautiful the extended lanai is. It also has these screens that are picture frame, like they don't have any trusses there, so you can see it with this beautiful view, enjoy it. So let me know what you think of this house. If you have any questions, this is a new construction home that is available right now. Please give me a call about the price and also about the possibility of negotiation. And please remember to always bring your realtor to the new construction when going to the builders, because the realtor can represent you, advise you, help you with negotiation and more. Please reach out to me with help with new construction homes and resale homes. My phone number is 239-232-5563. I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.